C++ has been around for a long time. I created it in 1979. It lets programmers write code that is both fast and efficient. C++ is used in many different areas. It helps run the systems we rely on every day. C++ gives developers a lot of control. They can manage how the computer uses memory. This control is essential for building complex systems. It is also used to create applications that need to run very quickly. C++ is like a Swiss Army knife for programmers. It is used in many industries. One popular area is game development. Games need to run smoothly and handle complex graphics. C++ helps achieve this. C++ is also crucial in finance. It powers high-frequency trading systems. These systems need to make decisions in milliseconds. In systems programming, C++ builds operating systems and embedded systems. These systems form the backbone of our technology. Knowing C++ opens doors in the tech world. Many companies are looking for skilled C++ developers. This demand translates into competitive salaries and benefits. Learning C++ can be challenging but rewarding. With C++, you could be developing the next big game. You could be working on cutting-edge financial systems. The possibilities are endless. C++ skills are highly transferable. This means they are useful in many different tech roles. C++ has evolved over the years. New features are constantly being added. This ensures that C++ remains relevant in the ever-changing tech landscape. C++ is not going away anytime soon. It is a powerful language. It offers a unique blend of performance and control. If you are considering a career in technology, C++ is a great choice. It is a valuable skill that will serve you well into the future.